The impact on the overall lighting, whether your store is remodeled or just recently at the same status it was, it just makes everything pop. It gives it a whole new ambiance, and when you're walking through the store, it's a different experience, I feel, for the customer. It definitely brings more vibrance to the store as opposed to your traditional shelving and the way product is laid out. You definitely see a pop in the product. It's kind of like going into a jewelry store and they have lit showcases and the jewelry looks nicer when there's a light on it. It's the same thing for product, you know, and also gives it a cleaner impression too of your shelves. The lighting does also enhance the product in many ways besides just the initial pop. It also helps with people reading the labels better. I just think to have lighting put in your store to give yourself a competitive edge against your competition, I think it gives you a step up from where you are and where you could be at. The lighting can only enhance the image, so it's just a very good impression.